Hey kids! What time is it? It's time for Gabby's World! Yay! Hey Gabby, what are we gonna make today? Make cakes?
That's my muffins.
I don't know. Where's your muffins? Let's find your muffins. What's this? Is this your hat? For making cakes? What's in here? Peppa Pig?
Not in there.
Huh? Not in there? Where's your muffins? Are they in there? Check this one. What about that one? What's those ones? Not your muffins?
No.
No?
Not in here.
What are
Not
those?
in there.
Not in there? What's in there?
No.
Oh, you gonna make me some eggs?
Not
Make
in
me some
there.
eggs. Not in there? You still trying to find your muffins? What if you make me something else?
Oh,
I don't know, we lost your muffins.
yeah.
That's okay. What if we make me something else? Huh? What do you want to make? Trying to get your cook hat on? You want to find your muffins? Hold on, let's do this. I'll help you. You ready? You need to put your hat on. Oh! There we go. Your Peppa Pig hat.
That's my muffin.
Let's go find your muffins. Where's your muffins? Are they over here in the shopping cart?
No.
No. Are they over here?
Over here?
Over here? No. Over here? You have a lot of toys, Gabby. No. Over here? What's in here? On the TV? No. What about right here? No. And no, they're probably not in the closet. Are they in here? In your room? Are they down there? No. Are they on your bed? Your Peppa Pig bed? No. Whoa, what is all in here? Think they're in here? No? What about over here? No? What if you make me something else? Are they in here? No.
No. In here?
No.
No. In the couch?
In your house? No.
No.
No. Right here? No. That's okay. What if we make me something else? Make me something else.
That's my muffin.
I don't know where your muffins are. Where did you put them? Do you have muffins? Hey, kitty cat. A Peppa Pig, you gonna put them inside the kitty cat? That's awesome.
It's for the crabs in there.
You gonna make Daddy some eggs and bacon? On the Peppa Pig kitchen?
No.
No?
That's
Why
my
not?
muffin.
I don't know where your muffins are. Where's the muffins? I don't know either. Where are the muffins?
I don't know.
I don't know. Muffins, where's the muffins? Can't find the muffins. There's no muffins. There's no muffins. What's over here? Huh? What? Where's the muffins? Here, cook me something else. Cook me a pie. Cook me some eggs. Give me some tea.
Okay.
You gonna make me some tea? Some coffee? What's in the refrigerator? Oh, look at, there's a lot of food in here.
Yeah, there's your coffee.
There's my coffee. All right. That's excellent.
Then you need a push
You need a push.
like that.
You need to put it together. Is that gonna help with the eggs and bacon and tea? Huh? Yeah? That's good. What's this over here? Huh?
Huh?
You gonna make me something to eat? You gonna make me a sandwich?
No.
Some eggs and bacon?
Yeah, I make it.
Okay. Alright. Here you go. Is that my pancake or my egg? Alright. That's a good job. You're really good at that. Yeah? Does it work? Mm-hmm.
I need to get my plate.
Yeah?
Get your plate. No.
No?
Don't touch it.
Oh, don't touch the kitchen, huh? I have to stay out of the kitchen? Oh, Gabby will take care of the kitchen, huh? What are you making me now?
I make
Ooh,
it.
alright, look at that. Eggs. Alright.
I need to make the table.
Need to go sit them on the table?
Yeah, sit down right there.
Sit right here? You're gonna make me eggs? Alright. Is this my juice? No. It's your juice? You're taking it? Oh, you're gonna set me up really nice, huh? Alrighty. What are you making now?
That's coffee.
Gonna make my coffee? Alright, thank you. That's how you make your coffee? You like your Peppa Pig kitchen?
Yeah, here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Candy of spoon.
You need a spoon? Okay. You like your kitchen?
How about that?
How about what?
How about
Yes?
this?
Oh yeah, how about the spoon? It's very nice. You like your kitchen? Alright, good.
Me too.
Yeah, you too? Alright. What are you gonna make me now? Gabby's gonna make eggs too? For Gabby? Alright, so we can both eat? That's really nice. Gabby's really nice. Uh-oh, dropped one. That's okay. Is there a 5-second rule? Alright, that's excellent. Oh, you made some? Oh, you need coffee too? Is it so it could keep you up all night long?
Yes, that's coffee.
Okay, good. Alright. You get...
That is milk.
Oh, and that's your milk? You like to put the milk in the coffee? Oh, good job. It's a lot of fun, huh? Alright, that's excellent.
Oh, everything needs a spoon.
Gabby needs a spoon too, you're right. It's a good job. Alright, good job. Gabby. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's a real nice. You need a shirt? What's that, sugar? Ooh, put some sugar in there, huh? That's a good job. Alright. It's gonna make it taste good? Okay, that's good.
And for mommy.
And for mommy?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, mommy's at work, but you're gonna set her up a plate for when she comes home? That's really nice. Yeah? She'll be really happy with that. Yeah. You okay? Alright, what's that? Is that a lot of good food? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you gave me some more? Or is that for you?
And for me.
That's for you? And this is what I get right here?
And for Daddy.
Daddy's on a diet? Huh? Oh, I get a sesame seed bun. It's excellent. All right. What are you getting now?
I get that.
Yeah?
That is mommy's cup.
You got mommy's cup now? All right. Okay. Setting up Mommy's plate. That's really nice. Yeah, you're really nice. All right, what's that?
A cracker.
Crackers. Mommy likes crackers?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Mommy likes crackers.
No.
Oh, no more? I don't get no more? You get it, you're hungry? What's that? A tomato and a bun? Couple tomatoes?
Uh-huh.
And what's this? A hamburger bun?
Uh-huh.
And what is this?
It's my hand.
It's your hand. Oh, you're silly. Yes. Woo! Sugar! Yay! All right. Top of my head. You're pouring sugar on Daddy? Yeah, you're silly. You know that? You're really silly.
I need to go.
Yeah?
I need to go.
You need to take it out?
Uh-huh.
I don't think we can take it out. It stays inside.
I need to get mine.
No, it stays inside. What else are you gonna make me? What are we gonna have? What are we gonna eat? You're the cook on the Peppa Pig kitchen. What are you gonna make? Huh?
Me.
No, yeah, you make me some food. You make me some food. Yes.
Hey kids! Did you have a fun time? Well, so did we! So we hope to see you again on Gabby's World!